Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going over to Fartboy. Once again, thank you for support, okay? Big up the CoinsKid crew. So Fartboy's done incredibly well. It's been one of the best trades of my life. Equally for a lot of the CoinsKid crew. Way back there, I think it was 15th of January. I'd just come back from football. I was looking at the CoinsKid index, looking at the deck section right there, and I spotted Fartboy, looked at it, seen that it had been rugged as well by the developer, and it sold off a load of coins and all that, and done a runner. And I thought, this would just be a great opportunity because every day we was looking at meme coins to buy and get involved in. But the probability is, you're going to buy something that's going to rug. Where a developer, he basically rug pulls you, he just makes it comes up, everyone's like, yeah, it's the next meme coin, it's going to do really well, and then boom, it rugs. So I had the idea just to buy a coin that's rugged, so it wouldn't be rugged again. So we got in at the floor. Me personally, I was in at 8.7k market cap. Now again, I've not sold a single token. I've not dumped on the community or anything like that, not took any profit, because I've got a target on this particular chart. Now, one thing that's been happening in behind the scenes is the community has been absolutely growing. Okay, the community is amazing, a massive community on Fartboy, and I think potentially if where I think we are in the cycle right now, this thing could be about to go vertical again. And again, nothing I say is financial advice, nothing, not guaranteed. It's just something that I'm looking at right now as other meme coins and potential scenarios that we've seen in the cycle. This could be on the cusp of vertical, and it may already be showing us within the chart within itself, which I'll show you, and we zoom in on the moment in the chart. So way back when, for anyone that's been on the channel will know, January 2023, I knew that Bitcoin was in an impulsive move, so I was looking at meme coins, because this is where you make your money in this space. Low input, high output. Again, risky trades, obviously. Be prepared to lose all your money, but you put in a few $100s and you can come out with millions. So I was looking at a meme coin in 2023. I posted it to the CoinsKid crew. Bonk, it went from 20 million market cap to 4 billion. It was an amazing trade. Then zoom forward a year later, 2024, I picked out Fartcoin that again went from, I think it was like 22 million market cap, went all the way up to 1 billion, massive gains on that. And then obviously with this cycle, right towards the end of the cycle, I've got my eye on Fartboy. So we picked it out in 2025, early 2025. It's seen the first major impulse from 8.7k market cap all the way to 200 million market cap in a matter of weeks. And then obviously people begin to take profit, which is normal, okay? But right now we're sort of holding our own in the $30 million market cap. Right now, if you take a look at the charts, we're looking to break this range. If we break this range, we could be about to go vertical in the Fartboy chart right there. So I'll zoom in on charts for a moment with you, because there are 5 waves up that we've seen. So potentially that's an impulsive wave for Fartboy right now, and it could be on the cusp of a vertical. And one of the key things with any meme coin is a community, and the community right now is absolutely thriving in their Discord, okay? And they did make a load of e-cards for me, which is amazing. I really appreciate them e-cards. But this is my primary meme coin selection, Fartboy. I don't think it's had its day. I think it's on the cusp of a vertical, and I think it could surprise everybody. And right now you're looking at a price tag of, what is it trending at 3p. It could 3p, 3 cents. I do apologize, I'm English, so I'm saying pennies, not cents, but 3 cents. And it could get to that $1 billion market cap, and obviously that beautiful target of $4 billion market cap. Now obviously when these things do it, they never feel like they're going to do it, and this is where the opportunity is. Like I've always taught you, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. These opportunities come from where you least expect it. So let's dive into the charts right now, see what we can see for Fartboy. But this is my primary meme coin pick to go vertical right towards the end of this cycle, which would be absolutely amazing. Let's dive in right now. So taking a look at Fartboy on a 4-hourly time frame. Now, in my history of doing this and across the board, I've been watching, a lot of content over the years and Twitter and things like that. I've never seen anybody, call a move like that before. What an entry point, 8.7k market cap. For myself, and I know a lot of the CoinsKid crew, because I made the post in the Discord, and obviously making the videos as well. Look at that, over 2 million%, and it's coming down. Everyone's like, oh, Fartboy, it's dead, and this, that, and the other. But this is typical of the first impulsive move into a corrective move, and followed by expansion and continuation to the upside. So Fartboy has corrected. It's come down currently from peak to trough. If we take a look, it corrected a whopping 92%, which is normal. These coins do that. So from this point, it's come up, it's come down, it's come up, it's come down. And from this point, it's actually making higher lows and lower highs. It's compressing from left to right. So there's some kind of price compression going on here for this particular project. So I think we may see an impulsive move, corrective move, and right now we're gearing up for another impulsive move in this particular project. And the reason is really simple. From left to right, we're getting compressed and we're making a series of lower highs and higher lows. There's some kind of compression going on just there. And from this low just there, we have seen a 5-wave move up just there. So I'll zoom in a moment. Now, why do I remain bullish on this crypto market? Because really simply, if we zoom out in the daily time frame, we've got a clue in something called the crystal ball that I created for you, okay? So the crystal ball is based on M2 global money supply. And if you take a look, the golden line, which is your liquidity flowing in around the markets, is still trending up, okay? We've got that whopping push. We've got some kind of pullback into October, and then we bolt again. So this is still trending up. And in recent times, it has made new all-time highs in this particular indicator, the crystal ball. So it shows some kind of big vertical in liquidity. Right now, this is where we are, pumping. And then we have some kind of pullback, which could confirm the breakout. And then we continue towards the end of the year, which would be absolutely amazing. So right now, is it a case that Fartboy is on the cusp of a breakout? Because if we take a look at the charts, from here, we've got a series of lower highs and a series of higher lows. So we've got some kind of price compression, and like I've always taught you, price compression leads to expansion. So right now, keep an eye on the charts, because if Fartboy takes this level out just there, I think we've got a vertical, and that vertical could be a clue that we've got in the crystal ball, which shows us trending up, then a pullback to confirm the breakout, and then we go again, which would be absolutely amazing towards the end of the year. And then from here, we've got the vertical, the pullback, and then the continuation into these levels here, the $1 and a $4 target, which would be absolutely amazing. Will be one of the best calls I've ever seen on the internet for the community right there. So I hope it plays out like that. And obviously I've not got a crystal ball, but one other clue I'm looking at right now, if we zoom in on the 4-hourly time frame, we're really compressing on this neckline so far. But if you take a look at this particular move from this low just there, it's really easy to see. You've seen 5 waves into an expanded flat ABC. So from here, what we've seen off this low here is a 1 into a pullback 2, into a vertical 3, into a 4, into a 5. Then we had a 3-wave move down, a 3-wave move back up. Then we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is an ABC zigzag correction. So you've had an impulsive wave, ABC zigzag, and right now you're looking to coil up and break. This should be a 3rd wave, because this is a 1 into a pullback 2, and right now you went vertical in the 3rd wave. So we should be breaking out of that pennant, basically, the compression lead to expansion with the crystal ball. So Fartboy may be on the radar for everybody again over the next couple of weeks here, if we see this break of this local high. Because if this breaks this local high, then I think Fartboy's finished its correction down here. It's basically some kind of pennant like this. It's got really compressed, come up in a 1, pull back 2, break in a 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. So at this point, this will be a 1 into a pullback 2, into a breakout 3, 4, 5. At that point, once you see 5 waves up from here, we can look at buying back, the support of the next impulsive wave up for Fartboy. So I wish I had the most luck, but so far so good. This 5-wave move is looking pretty tasty for the community. If you want to buy Fartboy, you can get it on Mexi. The link's in the video description, and equally on Phantom. It is a Solana meme coin, and I wish everyone the utmost luck, because it would be amazing to finish off this cycle with the best call ever made on the internet. Take care, everyone. Back to a new update on Fartboy. Stay safe, stay tuned. Bye bye.